Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take out or remove the battery door on your GoPro 9. So let's take a look. It's just going to pull it out, so you need to pull out to your right hand side and lift up the door. So again, I'm going to show you. You can see there is a latch right here. We just need to pull out and then lift up. Once the door has come up, all you have to do is just pull out the door. Now you have to pull out with a little bit of strength. It does not come out easily, but you can. So just you can either pull out this way or hold it this way, whichever way you feel comfortable holding your camera. So I would hold the camera like that with my whole hand, and then I'm just trying to pull it out like this. You can see it comes out. I do need to use a bit of force. That's why you can see my hand swing all the way back here. So I'm just going to put it back in. Just going to do it a few more times at a different angle so you guys can see it. So let's try it this way. Now I'm going to try to pull out that way so you can see. And you can see as soon as I try to pull out, my hand just swing really far because I do need to use some force. So that's all there is to it. Just have to pull it out. And there it is. You can see there is a clip right there. And that clips allow you to put it back in. And just going to pull it out again. You can see here, there's a clip. If I just try to just get it out, now it's just come out right there. So again, just going to wiggle side to side, and that can also make it come out easily. And that's it. So that's how you can get it out or put it back in. And then we're just going to push it down, push it in, and that's it. That's how you can remove the battery door on your GoPro Hero 9. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.